Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to do the Binaxnow COVID test at home. First thing you want to do is you want to wash your hands really good for about 20 to 30 seconds with good soap. I'm using Dawn dish liquid. And I like my hands to feel nice and soft. Whatever. Okay, folks. For the folks that don't know, for the people that are just tuning into this video to learn how to administer this test on themselves, I caught COVID 6 days ago. Well, I don't know when I caught it. I started feeling symptoms 6 days ago and tested positive 3 times. All right. So today, that was Saturday. Today's Friday. I've been on Paxlovid for 4 days. I have 1 more day left of Paxlovid to take. I want to go ahead and test now because I feel completely better. I feel a lot better. I feel better. So let's try one of these tests. I'm going to show you which one we got. If you have this test, I'm going to show you how to do this test. Okay, like I said, first wash your hands, and you're going to open your box, and you're going to take out half of it. All right, there's 2 tests in here. What you want to do is put half of it back. Okay, take 1 swab. I think I've already taken half of it out. Actually, I have already done the other half. So this is only 1 test. Okay, you'll have 2 tests in yours if you just a brand new opening your box for the first time. So, okay, what you want to do is, if you don't want to read your instructions or you don't understand your instructions, this little thing right here is the solution. This is the liquid in here. Okay? To get to that, you tear that little top off. Just twist that off. We'll get to that in a minute. All right, the first thing we want to do is wash our hands, of course. Then we're going to open our little pouch. That's got, okay, there it is right there. There's a little tear in there, in that bag already. That allows you to open that, and you can get that card out. Try to only touch that card on the edges. Okay? There's silica gel in there. Don't worry about that. You don't need it. Okay? Open your card. Bend it backwards just a little bit so it sits flat. Okay? You don't want it like that or like that. Just kind of bend it till it sits flat. Okay? Now take your I'm going to have to remember how to do this. Yes. Okay. Go ahead and take your swab. Open your swab up. Throw the package away. Take your swab into your first nostril. Put it in there. Spin it around. It's uncomfortable, I know. Go ahead and do that. Put it in your next nostril. Spin it around. Opposite direction, whatever. Okay, got that on there. Now what we want to do, I'll show you this closely. On your card here, what you want to do is you want to take this swab and go inside that bottom hole. See that bottom hole right there? We're going to put that into the swab in that hole until you can see it in the top hole. All right, I'll show you that. I'm just going to push that in there. Just like that, okay? Just like that. You can see it coming through. All right? Now what you want to do is take your solution. Tear that little end off right there. Boop, just like that. Now take 6 drops of that solution and drop it on that top hole. Okay? You want to hold your solution straight up and down and put 6 drops in there. Count closely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, got that done. We can throw this away. Now, take this adhesive right here. There's a piece of adhesive tape. You just want to peel that off. Okay, peel that off. And take your card and close it. Okay, that adhesive is going to stick it. Don't touch the test area. And don't touch that area there. This is hard to do with one hand. You want to close that without touching that test strip over there. Don't touch that. So I'm going to go ahead and close that. And I'm going to firmly press like this to make sure that it stays shut. That glue will hold it shut. Now we are going to wait the required amount of time, which it says about 15 minutes. So we're going to wait 15 minutes, folks, and we'll be right back to see what we got. Okay, I made a mistake, folks. You're supposed to put the 6 drops in the hole before you put the swab in, okay? But I think it's okay if you do it the way I did it. All right, this is how you read your test. If you have 2 lines, you're positive. If you have a top line and then a very, very faint line on the bottom, you're positive, all right? If you have a line on top and no line on the bottom, you're negative. And I am hard to see. Very hard to see. Let's just do it like that. Folks, I say I'm negative. So after 6 days, folks, I'm testing negative. That's the second test I've done this morning. I did a different brand test. As you can see, it's negative also. Anyway, folks, that's how you do the, Binaxnow test. Remember, put your 6 drops in the top hole before you put your swab in there. Hopefully you don't have COVID. Thanks for watching, folks. Redneck's gone wild.